Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look at how you can install the Windows Server 2025 edition on your VMware workstation environment. For this video, I have downloaded the Windows Server 2025 edition from the Windows Evaluation Center, which is provided by the Microsoft. They are giving 90-day free trial of this version. You can simply go and download by filling up a personal detail form, which is really simple and really easy. And then I have set up my virtual machine template and I have loaded up the downloaded image into it. As you can see, I have allocated 16 GB of memory, 4 processors, 80 GB NVMe hard drive, so on and so forth. And I am going to use the NAT network for this specific installation. Everything is done. Simply I have to click the power on this virtual machine. The virtual machine will power on and it will looks like same as the Windows 10 or normal Windows 11 installation. There's nothing different, I guess. We'll see how it goes. It's simply loading the iOS file and then you will get a setup wizard like this one. You need to wait and follow the instruction based on the setup wizard. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it happened automatically because when I was setting up my virtual machine template, I have selected the downloaded Windows 2025 Server Edition ISO file into that. So when you attach the ISO file later, this wizard might be different. But if you add it when you initially creating the template, so it might be easier. It will do everything automatically for you. I did the same thing and I only have to do a few clicks and it will start installation without doing anything, without selecting anything. We'll wait until this process is complete and then we'll see how it goes. In my installation, there will be 4 installation options. Even if you download the same version, you will have a standard version with desktop experience, also data center version, as well as data center version with the desktop experience. In that case, I have selected only the standard version with the desktop experience, which we really need, and I think it is more than enough to enable the Active Directory domain service for our lab environment, and we really don't need to go with the data center version because it's consumed a lot more disk space and it has more features which we are not gonna use in this specific video series. I think the standard version will be enough and you better select the desktop version. I prefer desktop version rather than going with the CLI version. If you are familiar with the CLI version, that's fine. Feel free to install that one and do your next step with the CLI. I believe my personal preference is always GUI version. So yeah, I'm going to go with that version. It's almost done, like 76% complete. We'll wait for the rest and we'll see how we can go with this one. And also the other thing is, when you do the installation, your virtual machine will be restarted several times. Keep that in your mind because it's not a fault, it's not an error, it's the usual behavior, it's the normal behavior. Sometimes when you're doing the Windows installation like Windows 10 or 11, that also the same case, but here it might be different. So it will take like 4-5 times, it will restart 4-5 times and then it come up with that sort of installation wizard. It's again restarting. Hasn't completed yet. It's 94%. We are almost there. We'll see if we come up with the GUI version, because there wasn't any option to select that one. As you can see, there are some services starting with this, and the server manager also started with this one. And the thing is, VMware tools also setting up automatically for you. You don't need to necessarily go and manually install those one like when you do with the Windows 10 or 11. If you can remember, when you do the Windows 10 or 11 installation on VMware Workstation, you need to go back and you need to do it manually. But I think in this case it's happening automatically. As you can see, it got full screen version now. It's asking to restart to complete the VMware tool installation. I hit yes and it is shutting down the services. Also, it may go with the some Windows updates and then it will come up again. The other thing is, after installing this one, I'm gonna do another video how you can enable the Active Directory domain service and how you can set up this specific Windows Server machine as a domain controller. And then after that, I did a video with the Splunk. We are going to integrate these logs into Splunk and see how we can detect Active Directory environment, like how we can detect malicious activities on any environment with Splunk, as well as I'm going to do a few videos about how you can add an endpoint with the Active Directory and how you can configure group policies, that sort of basic stuff with this video series. I hope everything is done. You can simply close. This is the server dashboard wizard. It simply looks like Windows 11. There are some more tools and features in it other than the Windows 11 capabilities, like a lot of server related features. We'll explore this one with the other video. I hope this video was useful, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. I'm reading all the comments and I'm trying to give you a best video experience, best video tutorials based on your comments, so it's really valuable. And we'll catch up with the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.